If you're an Uber Eats driver needing support in 2025, there are several ways to get assistance. Whether you're dealing with app issues, delivery problems, or account questions, in-app support. The fastest and most direct way to get help is through the Uber driver app. Uber, like literally, open the driver app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, select help to access your help center. Choose the issues you're experiencing. If further assistance is needed, tap contact support at the bottom. You can see that right here. From there, you can initiate a chat, send a message, or request a call with a support agent. Phone support is available 24/7 through the app. And also phone support for urgent matters during a delivery. You can call Uber Eats driver support at the given number right here on the screen. This line is primarily for active delivery issues. And also in-person support. In select cities, I'd say Uber operates Greenlight Hubs where drivers can receive in-person assistance. To check availability and book appointment, uh, open the Uber driver app and tap the menu icon, select help, tap book an in-person appointment, and just choose the issue you need help with and follow the prompts to schedule. And you have online help center too, so you can also visit Uber Help Center to browse support articles or contact directly Teach Me Delivery plus Uber plus whatever that's given on the screen. Remember, for emergencies, always call 911. If you found this information helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing for more Uber Eats driver tips, and sharing your experiences or questions in the comments below.